Hi students, how are you? Today we study about linear equations in one variables. Before we start these chapters, first we know what is linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. What is linear equations? Equations in which variables have the one power is known as the linear equations. An equation in which these variables are x, y, z and dot have one power is known as linear equation. Linear equations. Before we start these chapters, we will know that constants, variables, algebraic expressions and algebraic equations. Then what is the constant terms? Constants. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Symbol having a fixed numerical value is called constant. Example 3, 4 by 5, 5, etc. Next term is the variables. What is variable? A symbol having a changeable numerical value is called the variable. A symbol having a changeable numerical value is called variable. Example x, y, z, etc. We know that the variables are taken x, y and z. And now we will know about the algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions is a combination of constant and variable terms which contained by some or all of operations plus, minus, multiply and divide etc. A combination of constant variable, constant and variable, constant and variables connected, connected by some or all of the operations. Operations plus, minus, multiply and divide is known as algebraic expression. Is known as algebraic expressions. Example: we will take the example of the algebraic expressions. It is the 2x minus 3. It is the algebraic expressions. Next topic is our algebraic equations. What is algebraic expressions? Algebraic expressions which have one equality in involving variable and constants is called the algebraic equations. An algebraic expression having equality as well as variable and constant is called algebraic equation. In this way, we have studied all the explains which will come in our chapter this linear equation in one variables. The example, it is 2x minus 3 equal to 5. It is the example of the algebraic equations. Here is variable. This is variable term. it is equality and it is constant. In this way, we see that in algebraic equations, there are a variable terms, an equality signs and a constant terms. So it is called the algebraic equation. Now we shall start our exercise. Exercise 2.1. It is given in the questions that solve the following equations. I am taking the question number 4, which is given that 4/3 plus x equal to 17/7. Sorry, it is the 7. 4/7 plus x equal to 17/7. And we have to solve these equations to find the value of x. So solve. First, we take our questions. 4/7 plus x equal to 17/7. This is, we know that in these equations there are the two constant terms. First 4/3 and second is 17/7, and the variable term is the x. So we transfer this constant term to the right sides and the variable terms remain to the left sides. Here we x equal to 17/7 minus, this is because here is the plus signs. When we transfer to the right sides, it becomes the minus, so it will be the 4 minus 3. Now we see here that here is the unequal denominator, so we can take the LCM of 7 and 3. It will be the 21. Now we divide the 21 by the 7, and once percentified we multiply to 17. Then 7 3 are 21 and 73 are 51 minus 3 7 are 21 and 7 4 are 28. Now we subtract 28 from 51s. Here we see that 1. So we take a carry from 5 to 1, it becomes 11, and we subtract 8 from 11, it will be 3. And here is the 4. 4 minus 2, it becomes the 2 by 21. This is answer. So similarly, we can solve all questions in this exercise. One, I take a question number 10. Then question is given that 14y minus 8 equal to 13. 14y minus 8 equal to 13. In these questions, we see that 14 and y is related by multiply signs, and 8 is constant and 13 is also the constant. So first we transfer to 8 to the right sides. Here is the 14y minus 8 equal to 13. Here the remain 14y equal to 13 plus 8. Since we transfer this minus x to the right sides, here is minus, so it will be plus. So 13 plus 8 equal to 21. Here is the 14y equal to 21 and then y equal to 21 divided by 14. We know that when a multiplication signs transfer to the right sides, it becomes the dividers. So you divide this by a number 7. 7 to the 21 and 7 to the 14. So y equal to 3 by 2. It is answer. In this way, you can solve all the questions in this exercise. Thanks.